Hi, thanks for joining us at Rallyhood. Today I'm going to be taking you inside of a rally and showing you the calendar feature on your navigation bar. Starting from your Rallyhood dashboard, you're going to enter the rally of your choice. Today I'm using my demo rally, Volunteers of Community 10. Once you're inside of your rally, locate the calendar tab on your navigation bar. A rally calendar is great because it can help keep everyone in the rally organized and informed about shared events. Whether it's an upcoming meeting, training event, camp out, renewal deadline, or another reminder or appointment. In Calendar, you will see two options at the top, Quick Event and Special Event. Any member of the rally can add both of these types of events to the calendar. Let's click on Quick Event. Inside of a rally calendar, Quick Events is where you can create meetings and invite your members to attend and even RSVP. You might use this option to share out an open community town hall meeting or to share an external link to a relevant public event happening in your area. The on-screen prompts are pretty straightforward with options to input. You'll begin by adding your title. So today I'm going to do camp registration. My location is Winter Springs. You can add a meeting link, that would be like a Zoom. You can add your password and your description. Today I will do come join us for camp registration. You can also color code the event. This can be really helpful in events that are geared towards different groups, or perhaps the color represents a different location. Here's all the colors that we have. And you can request RSVPs by clicking the checkbox. You can make this an all-day event, or you can customize by date and time. You can do a start time and an end time, start date and end date. You can also choose whether the event repeats. This is a really great way to add those monthly meetings in one fell swoop, and it's created for the rest of the year. You can do this by repeat daily, repeat weekly, repeat monthly, and repeat yearly. You also have the option to attach photos and files to the event. This is a great way to make your event eye-catching and inform interested parties about the agenda details in advance. When you're done filling out your information, be sure to click Save. And here you will see that your quick event has now been created. This is where you can go in and edit your quick event. You can delete it. You can export it to Google, or you can export it to iCalendar or Outlook. And you also have the option to share it with individual rallies or multiple rallies at the same time by clicking the check boxes. And always be sure to click Share. When clicking back, this will take you to the calendar view, where you can now see that your quick event sits on the calendar. Next, we're going to click on Special Event. Special Events offers the ability to design and create customized event invitations that can include capped registration and ticket sales. So if you're hosting a robotics workshop with a community partner that requires registration and fee collection, you'll want to set that up as a special event. For more information on special events, please refer to our special events tutorial video. Let's go back to our calendar. No more having to manually enter events into your personal calendar. Click on Subscribe. And this is where you can do a one-way sync to import your rally calendar into your personal calendar, whether that's iCal, Apple, Google, or either version of Outlook. This way, whenever an event is added to the rally calendar, it will automatically be added to your personal calendar. You can click on your calendar version, then click Copy Link and follow the on-screen instructions. You can also click the Print button to print directly from this screen. Everyone in Rallyhood can benefit from a shared calendar. With a rally calendar, anyone can add important events, reminders, or deadlines in a hub or a rally, so that everyone can view them in their personal dashboard in their My Calendar tab. Let's navigate back to our Rallyhood dashboard. Click on your Rallyhood icon. This will bring you back to your landing page of your Rallyhood dashboard. Thank you again for watching this Rallyhood tutorial video. We hope that you found this information to be super helpful in your experience on Rallyhood. If you have any tech troubleshooting questions about our Rallyhood desktop or mobile app experience, please feel free to contact us at support@rallyhood.com.